Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to Suryansi Learning Classes. Today we'll discuss about 10 important questions for ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level Exam. So let's begin. First question is, we split testing into distinct stages primarily because A. Each test stage has different purpose. B. It is easier to manage testing in stages. C. We can run different tests in different environments. Or D. The more stages we have, the better the testing. And the right answer is answer A. Each test stage has a different purpose. Explanation: we split testing into distinct stages primarily because each test stage has different purpose. There are four main stages of testing that need to be completed before a program can be cleared for use. First, unit testing. Second, integration testing. Third, system testing. And fourth, acceptance testing. Second question is, a configuration management system would not normally provide A. Linkage of customer requirements to version numbers. B. Facilities to compare test results with the expected results. C. The precise differences in versions of software component source code. Or D. Restricted access to the source code library. And the right answer is option B. Facilities to compare test results with expected results. Explanation: a configuration management system would normally provide linkage of customer requirements to version numbers, the precise differences in versions of software component source code, restricted access to source code library. Test comparison is the process of identifying differences between the actual results produced by the test component or system and the expected result, and this could be achieved by using any test management tool. Third question is, a deviation from the specified or expected behavior that is visible to end users is called A. An error, B. A fault, C. A failure, or D. A defect. And the right answer is option C. A failure. Explanation: a failure is the inability of a software system or component to perform its required functions within specified performance requirements. When a defect reaches the end customer, it is called a failure. During development, failures are usually observed by testers. Fourth question is, when should testing be stopped? Option A: when all the planned tests have been run. B. When time has run out. C. When all faults have been fixed correctly. Or D. It depends on the risk for the system being tested. And the right option is option D. It depends on the risk for the system being tested. Explanation: there are many factors involved in the real-time projects to decide when to stop testing. Testing deadlines or release deadlines. By reaching the decided pass percentage of test cases, the risk in the project is under acceptable limit. All the high priority bugs blockers are fixed when acceptance criteria is met. As per ISTQB, it depends on the risk for the system being tested. Fifth question is, incidents would not be raised against A. Requirements, B. Documentation, C. Test cases, or D. Improvements suggested by users. And the right option is option D. Improvements suggested by users. Explanation: The first three options are obvious options for which incidents are not raised. The last option can be thought of as an enhancement, and it is suggestion from the users and not an incident. Sixth question is evaluating testability of the requirements and system are a part of which phase? A. Test analysis and design. B. Test planning and control. C. Test implementation and execution. Or D. Evaluating exit criteria and reporting. And the right answer is option A. Test analysis and design. Explanation. Test analysis and test design has the following major tasks. First, to review the test basis. Second, to identify test conditions. Third, to design the tests. Fourth, to evaluate testability of the requirements and system. Fifth, to design the test environment setup and identify and required infrastructure and tools. Seventh question is which of the following has the highest level of independence in which test cases are A. Designed by persons who write the software under test. B. Designed by a person from a different section. C. Designed by a person from a different organization. Or D. Designed by another person. And the right answer is option C. Designed by a person from different organization. Explanation. There is several level of independence which is listed here from the lowest level of independence to the highest. First, test by the person who write the item. Second, test by another person within the same team like another programmer. Third, test by the person from some different group such as independent test team. Fourth, test by person from different organization or company such as outsourced testing or certification by an external body. Question 8. Which statement is most true? A. Different testing is needed depending upon the application. B. All software is tested in same way. C. A technique that finds defects will always find defects. Or D. A technique that has found no defects is not useful. And the right answer is option A. Different testing is needed depending upon the application. Explanation. This is a restatement of the testing principle. Testing is context dependent. Question 9. A bug or defect is A. Mistake made by a person. B. A runtime problem experienced by a user. C. The result of an error or mistake. Or D. The result of a failure which may lead to an error. And the right answer is option C. The result of an error or mistake. Explanation. A mistake in coding is called error. Error found by tester is called defect. Defect accepted by development team, then it is called bug. Build does not meet the requirement, then it is failure. Question 10. What do static analysis tools analyze? A. Design. B. Test cases. C. Requirements. Or D. Program code. And the right answer is option D. Program code. Explanation. Static code analysis is a method of debugging by examining source code before a program is run. It is done by analyzing a set of code against a set of coding rules. Static code analysis and static analysis are often used interchangeably along with source code analysis. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned and we are going to add few more videos related to ISTQB. So keep watching our videos and keep learning. Until then, take care. Goodbye.